All right, guys, today our goals in math is I can write a number in word form when given standard form, and I can write a number in standard form when given word form. So when I talk about word form, guys, what I am talking about is when it's written out with letters, okay? So I'm going to give you guys this at the top of your work to have all the spellings that you need. But this is word form here. This would be standard form of each number. So the important thing to remember when we are writing words in word form is that we are going to take the number, the standard number. So for instance, like if we had 37, okay, I say 37. So then what I do is I will write 30, and then I put a hyphen with these numbers and put 7. So I have standard form and I have word form. Now let's try a bigger number. Let's say that I have 241, okay? So anytime I have this, I'm going to start over here because I'm going to write the number in word form just like I say it. So 241. So I'm going to write 200 and then I'm going to write 40 hyphen 1. I do this anytime that a number is over 20, okay? So I have 241, just like I would say 241. Now let's do one more. Let's do a bigger number. Let's do 3,674, okay? So I have 3,674. So again, I'm going to start 3. So I'm going to write 3, and then I know that's in the thousands place, so I'm going to write 1,000. And then just like my number has a comma here, I'm going to put a comma. And then we said 600. And then I have a 70, so I'm going to find 70 hyphen and 4, so I'm going to find 4. Now if I read this, it should sound just like when I say this number. So 3,674. And we just keep doing that. So if the number had, like, if it was 10,000, let's say, say 21, okay? So 10,021. So I'm going to start off with my 10,000. So I'm going to write 10,000, comma, because comma. Oh, I don't have any hundreds. So just like when we did our expanded form, I'm not going to write that in there. I'm not going to say 0 hundreds because I don't say that when I see this word. I say 10,021. So I'm going to do 10,000 and then write 21. So then we just met one of our first goals, which was to write a number in word form when given standard form. So each number I was giving you standard form and we wrote it in word form. Now I'm going to give us some examples in word form and I want us to write it in standard form. So let's say we have 67. So again, I'm going to write, I know that I have a 2-digit number because I have 67. So 60 means I have a 6 in my tens place, and then in my ones place it says 7. So I'm going to write 7. So we just went from word form to expanded form. Now let's try a bigger number. Let's do 390. Oops. Let's do a different number actually, since Miss Brown was starting to give you the number. We're gonna do 401. Okay, 400. So I know I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3 place values. So I'm gonna write 400. I don't see any of my numbers that have a 10 spot in it. I just see a 1. So I know that my 1's gonna go here, which then means I need a filler 0, 401. Let's say I had 6,000, 209. Okay, I'm going up to the thousands place, so I know I have 1, 2, this many place values. So 6,000. If we remember, this is my thousands spot, this is my hundreds, this is my tens, and this is my ones. So 6,200, so I've got a 2 in my hundred spot, and I don't see anything about tens. I don't see any number that's going big, so I'd write a 0 and a 9. We're gonna do one more example. Okay, I have 1,217. So again, we're going to start up here, 1,000. So I know I have a 1 in my ones place. 200. So I have a 2 in my hundreds place. 17. So 17 is one of those funky numbers that we know how to say 17, like that. But I'm not going to put it all in there and then put a 0 over here because that'd make my number a lot different. If we remember about expanded form, this 17 is actually a 10 and 7 ones. So I would write a 1 in my tens place and a 7 in my ones place. So I have 1,217. All right, guys. So again, if you need any help, today we've worked on when you are given a number in word form, and you can write it in standard form, and when you're given a number in standard form, you can write it in word form. Here are those number words in case you want to write those down in your math notebook, but I will provide those to you in an image at the top of your assignment as well so that you have them. I hope you guys have a great time in math. Bye!